Well, hello, welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. Hope you all are having a fantastic week. Just a fun, short and sweet drone video. I'm going to be buying a drone here in the next month or two. Kind of an important piece of technology when trying to capture those dynamic aerial shots of some awesome fly fishing in some rivers and in the mountains, and just the outdoor adventures in general kind of call for a drone. So my brother Brent owns this DJI Mavic Mini. It's a really nice drone. It's compact. It's in the $500 price point and it shoots in 2.7K. I think it's going to be sufficient for what I need. But if anyone has an idea as to why maybe I should consider a different drone, maybe you've got some experience with something that you really like or have heard really good reviews about, whatever, pop a comment below and let me know why maybe I shouldn't buy the DJI Mavic Mini. Maybe there's a better drone for my needs. So enjoy and have a fantastic weekend. Adventure on! So if you want to just kind of do some cool stuff of like shooting, you know, getting some video of us or whatever. Maybe go up and down a little bit, or we can go back out to the street even for a second. It would be awesome. What's that noise?
The battery.
Oh, it means it's getting low. But it's still you said you're 5% or something? Or 10%? Can you get video of us from up there?
Oh yeah, it's still recording.
Nice.
It's flying down.
Probably land it here in a sec. Lena, don't get away. Get away. Thank you. Oops, that was the startup control. It's a little camera shy.
That's so cool, man.
You like it?
That's awesome, Brent.